Greetings on this Wednesday morning. I've got my assistant this morning with me to help me make my little publication this morning. Hope you all are doing well, and hopefully not in Montana, because I'll get to that here in a minute or two. But this is Willow. She's one of the company that I used to drive for, his co-driver, and he's in the hospital right now, so Willow's keeping me company today. So been watching her for the last few days. So anyway, we get on with this. So you're going to have a wet, sloppy mess going across Montana this morning, because it's mixed precipitation over there, rain snow mix. On Highway 2, it's basically both sides of Missoula there on I-90, and also Montana 200. So if you're going across Lookout Pass or going up towards Rogers Pass or headed down towards Butte, it's going to be a wet, sloppy mess. So be aware of that. And the only pass up here in the northwest that's going across the Cascades right now is Snoqualmie Pass is open. They're on I-90. The gorge is open, and the rest of the passes are closed. No estimation on when they're going to be reopening, other than maybe spring or summer. Little Wednesday morning humor. So anyway, as you can see here, there's not a whole lot going on other than in the northwest right now. They've got a few snow flurries I noticed across Kansas and the center section of the country. They've got a winter storm warning. Okay, fine, you can get down now. Goes Willow to go and mosey across the dining room area here. In the Midwest, they've got a winter special weather statement about winter weather impacts likely through Thursday into Friday. So be aware of that the storm that's in Montana and up in Canada right now will probably be moving east and affecting that. So, and also just south of that, they've got a high wind watch. And where are we talking now? South Dakota. Around the Rapid City, east and north of Rapid City. So be aware of that. And as you can see, the wet, sloppy mess there in Montana, stretching from Washington, Oregon border over into western Montana. And right now it's raining up there on Snoqualmie Pass, but you can see the rain here in the northwest. Got a heavy rain, increase of risk of landslides through Saturday. So, but other than that, like I said, they've got oh no, say it isn't so, a high wind warning in Wyoming. No fargan way. Anyway, but as you can see here, as we zoom in a little bit on Kansas and northern Oklahoma and stuff, they got a few scattered, stretching all the way from Lubbock up to north of I-70 there in Kansas. Few scattered snow flurries, so be aware of that. The rest of the nation doesn't look like there's a whole lot going on. I say they got the winter storm that's going to be rolling through this area. Looks like they've got just a little small pockets of weather right now at 8 o'clock this morning on this Wednesday. Not much going on over there on the East Coast, with the exception of we've got a few snow flurries up there in Maine. No weather warnings and stuff, but thought I'd go and bring that up. A band of snow up there in northern Maine, well past, up north of Portland. So anyways, we'll go and get over here to the traffic, which I didn't see much of when I was on it earlier. So here we go. Zoom out here. It's flowing pretty good over Snoqualmie Pass. Don't see any slowdowns on I-5 or I-90 or I-84. I'm not sure why it zoomed in just then. It's like I say, it's looking at kind of ugly, sloppy mess, wet sloppy mess over there by Missoula, east and west of Missoula. I'll get to that once I get off my apps here. But the rest of the roads across the country, east and west and north and south routes, are pretty much showing green everywhere. There we go. Don't see any slowdowns, backups, or anything like that down here on the southern. Not sure what's going on with the like green. It's being twitchy on me for some reason or other. Oh, going zoom in. Just that one spot there. Just as soon as I hit the roads, but anyway, I'm not sure what's going on with this app today, but yeah, I didn't see any slowdowns on that, so go and bring up some Wyoming, because it's I got my Wyoming app on this one. I got the other apps on the laptop, but Wyoming's looking pretty good. Mostly green roads. Like I said, there was a high wind warning there in Wyoming, so you can see the stretch from basically just east of Rollins, there over there by the going past Elk Mountain, all the way over to Cheyenne, and then north of Cheyenne up to Wheatland. They got the restrictions of for light high profile vehicles because of the wind. So be aware of that. Okie dokies, we'll get off this and get on to the Montana one so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's the red and white road in the overlay there. You can see it's classified as severe driving conditions. And that's here, probably starts about, looks like 10-15 miles east of Superior, all the way through Missoula, and then up here on the Montana 200. So it's just stretches probably about 5-10 miles past east of Clinton, and the purple is where is purple? There we go. Covered snow and ice, but at least the roads are open, and the lighter purple is black ice. So you'll have over there by Superior, you'll have black ice, and then snow and ice after that, going up, heading westward, going up over Lookout Pass. Let's see what this one is. Oh, they got an incident. Doesn't say what it is. Doesn't say what it's interstate. I guess it's just the frontage road by the looks of it on the westbound side. So, oh, blocked by semis. There we go. So it's over there by Dvoržina Hagen Frontage Road. That's right by the scale. So be aware of that on the westbound side. They got somebody slid off, or some people crashed into each other, whichever. So anyway, okay, well, I figure I go and give you a quick update this Wednesday morning. So have a safe one there, drivers, and hope you're not in this wet, sloppy mess up here in Montana, because it looks like it's going to get kind of ugly for a while. So, all right, and if you're looking for a good company to drive for, I drove for them for 21 years. It's Holland Enterprises out of Mapleton, North Dakota, exit 338 on I-94. Like I say, I stayed with them for 21 years until I was deemed no longer fit to drive on the road anymore. That was due to medical issues. Still alive and kicking. And like I say, we go and help out when we can. My wife does after-hours dispatch. So, you want a good, friendly team to work with, they're the people to call. Holland Enterprises at hollandent.com. Give them a shout if you like. And you have a safe one out there. Might get to say hello to you someday if you end up driving for them. And up here in the Pacific Northwest, they might end up hooking up with you. All right, have a safe one there, drivers. This is Greg signing off for this Wednesday morning.